Chilling out with the crew in the schoolyard, finding trouble, never looking too hard. Back at class, they never taught us this. Funnies and calories, tough times, hard times. We'll take them along together. Right now, let's go. Yes, generation X, keep on, yes, keep on. Come on, you better play your cards right. Keep on, yes, keep on. We'll make the great and win this fight. Make the great somehow. Yes, keep on, yes, keep on. Come on, you better play your cards right. Come on and get your game on.
So today I'll be doing another Yu-Gi-Oh pack opening, and for today it'll be Cosmo Blazer Special Edition. And with the Special Edition you get 3 Cosmo Blazer packs and either Wind Up Shark or Blade Armor Ninja, super rares. So I did get, and of course I'm Supreme King, and made sure I got about got 10 of these things, so hopefully I get my 3 Wind Up Shark and 3 Blade Armor Ninjas. And of course, some cards I'm going to pull out here be cards like Zach Swap and Leo Arms, number 53 Heart Earth, and number 92 Heart Earth Dragon. So of course I need memory back. So first of all, I'm just going to open these up to see what the promo cards are and see if I get my my full playset. So the first one is Wind Up Shark. Even though I did order in some other things, the reason I got this was because I was hoping to get the Luigi's Mansion 3DS Dark Moon game, but it wasn't in the stores yet, and they don't know when it's coming in, so I have to wait for that. But I'll be able to do only one more Yu-Gi-Oh pack opening after this, and that might be it for this month, and that probably won't be till May. So really, it should be 5 and 5, I would think here. That wasn't a bot, didn't go in the box, just came with singles, but. And 2 Wind Up Sharks. That just means 1 more Wind Up Shark and 3 Blade Armor Ninjas, and that's it. Really don't want it to go back and get more, just want to go back and get others to try and get the rest of them. And for the third one is 3 in a row, 3 Wind Up Sharks. That's 3 slices of those for the Wind Up deck. There's still 7 more to go, so hopefully get my 3 Blade Armor Ninjas. And there's Blade Armor Ninja number 1. Now hopefully get 2 more, open up 2 more Blade Armor Ninjas. There's Blade Armor Ninja number 2. So just 1 more. This one should be what I hope. And after this, I'll just buy the booster box of Cosmo Blazer because there's no need for me to get special edition. I already have the cards, so. Or wind up shark, so I don't need that. There's one more wind up. One more Blade Armor Ninja. And the third Blade Armor Ninja. So I did get my full play set. That's 7 open up so far. Of course, there's an extra wind up shark in there, but that's alright. So that will just go in the trade pile. So I got my place on my promos. So there's 3 wind up sharks right there, super rare. And then here's 3 Blade Armor Ninja super rares. And the rest of the promos will just be put in the extra pile. The reason why I bought 10 was because just give me a better chance of getting 3 of each, and plus that is considered a box set of special editions. So, and at least I would think maybe 16 there. I'd think, but I only got 10 because I still got something else to open up too. Plus, there's still the newer list with Fan of Sport I need to get, which I'll probably be doing after the next thing comes, and I'll probably be waiting for the next thing. Not today. There should still be one yet. So any other of these extra ones will just be extra promos. That'll be 30 packs of Cosmo Blazer being opened today. Now this is brand new to me, so I didn't buy the regular packs. I waited till special edition came out. So our Blade Armor Ninjas, that's another extra one. If I'm correct, there might be another wind up shark and another Blade Armor Ninja in here again too. Our wind up shark. And the last one, then we can start opening these packs up. And our wind up shark. So wind up sharks seem to have been the more popular one out of this one. Those are all extras. Those go in the promos. Didn't really like them, but they're still good all the same though. So, Cosmo Blazer first pack. At least I got my promo, so I want to buy this again. The only way I will be buying Cosmo Blazer again will be at Fan of the Sport. The only time I buy something from Walmart is if Fan of the Sport, if Fan of the Sport doesn't have this, which just has the box, I do believe. So that's why I got this though. And so I got a rare Sex Weapon Tornado Bringer, or as many call ZW, and then a super rare Orbital 7. That is in fact a character on the show. And of course, hoping to get cards like also cards out of here include some really old cards, like there's March of the Monarchs. Hoping to get that card, but place of those. There's some Blackwing cards and a couple Blackwings and cards in here. Infernity card, Crimson Blader. So there's a bunch of 5D cards in here. So Hold up all those. So rare heraldic beast Leo. This thing has the counters. You got it, boss counters for that. Huh. He says that a lot in the show. So another rare Zex Weapon Lightning Blade. And then a secret rare Kickfire. I'm just happy that I got my 3 of each promo card. These packs will be like an added bonus. There's Zex Weapon cards. That's their cards I'm trying to use. So Zex Weapon Ultimate Shield, common. Easy Flame Periton, rare. See, I don't think I've got any direct impact out of here yet. Rare Infernity Archer, nice. And also the Ignition Beast Ball Cannon. Very good card out of here. A lot of good common cards in here too. Most of the older cards are commons and rares. So rare Noble Knight Joan. Nice, I pulled out both number cards and this Zex Weapon. Not really interested in Brotherhood of the Firefist Bear. I don't really care where that Diamond Dire Wolf for that Spellbook of the Masters. That's not why I buy this pack though. Ultimate Fire Formation Sato, rare. And a super rare Brotherhood of the Firefist Snake. I think I've gotten that card yet, that Direct Impact. Direct Impact. There's a card there finally. And rare Blackwing Gladius, the Midnight Sun.